80% corresponds to which fraction? Okay, so if I want to take a percentage and turn it into a fraction, the way that I do that is I always have to put it over 100. The reason that I'm doing it over 100 is because percent really means 80 per cent. Cent is 100. Cent literally means 100. There are 100 cents in a dollar. A cent refers to this 100, so it's 80%. And the per sign is also represented like this. So really, it's just 80 per 100. So a percent is automatically already a fraction. It's a fraction where it's over 100. So that's great. 80% is 80 over 100, and that is a fraction. However, that is not one of the fractions that I've been given the choice of here. The problem is that 80 over 100 is not as reduced or as simplified as it could be. For example, you can see here that 10 goes into 80 and 10 goes into 100. So if the same number goes into both of these, that means it's not as simplified as it could possibly be. So 80, 10 goes into 80 8 times, 10 goes into 100 10 times. So this is equivalent to this. But this still doesn't help me because this also is not one of my possible answers. But again, this is because these are not as simplified as they could be. What goes into 8 that also goes into 10? Well, 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. This is my answer. C is the most simplified version of the fraction 80 over 100.